Your time is valuable in the workplace. I want to give you some quick wins on how to help you come across more effectively with your body language in a number of new workplace environments. For starters, there's how do you come across when you have to speak on video? These days, you could have a boss calling you on Skype video, on an iPad, on a webcam, and you've got to talk to a boss, a colleague, a client, looking at a screen. Here's some quick tips for you. The biggest problem most people have when they are talking on a Skype or a FaceTime is the camera is too low. It's either on their desk or you're holding your phone below and the camera angle is shooting up your nose, which is not a flattering look. Typically, it's shooting into the ceiling where there are lights. So now the brightest thing on the screen, the lights, it darkens your face. It's an unflattering angle, and it makes everyone look their worst. Let me give you a quick tip. If you're using a laptop or a computer on your desk, just get a stack of books, prop the camera up higher. What you want is the lens to be a couple of inches above your eyes, kind of like mine now. That's a better angle on your face. You look more comfortable, confident. It's much easier to light. It won't be shooting up to the lights in the ceiling. Any of you who've ever been to a wedding, you probably noticed that the wedding photographer gets up, sometimes on a ladder, and shoots down. Because when people are looking up, it just makes them look better. The double chins disappear. Everything looks more flattering. So please do that quick, simple tip. A lot more to come. Stay tuned.